Alright, you filthy animals. We got rear brakes on an Escalade. But we gotta lock in first. Go ahead, bully me for lining up the tabs. Bully me for having 3 milligrams. I don't really care. To be honest with you, the 6 is giving me a fucking headache. The 3s are perfect. For me. I thought that shit was funny though when I put it in the first video. Everyone was saying something. It's crazy how Zims have become like a whole ass subculture. You motherfuckers look crusty under there. Ooh. This guy from top almost tripled, bitch. Damn. Nice. God damn. Oh no. It's okay, I have a secret weapon for you. Oh, this one too? Shit. Hold on. Why must you do this to me? Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna sit here and ratchet this out like a fucking caveman. Come on. Alright, so this is the part where the parking brakes completely fucking fall apart when I try and take these rotors off. And then I quit and smoke crack under a bridge.
Let me show you.
Oh my god, no way. Oh my god. Oh man, I can't wait to hear what all the professionals are gonna have to say about this. Got lucky, I didn't even eat that. The boot looks okay too. I don't think this one's gonna come out without heat. Wow. Getting extra lucky today. I like this.
know so all you bitches fell in love with the road.
Off the back, silver man, that love. I had no 95 cause I love drugs.
She gon' stumble on my dick like jacket drip on
Huh? Tell me up. Where up? Hey, fuck talking about, bitch ass. I'm a mutant, like bitch. I ain't really yet. Whoa! Before they put him in the chokehold, motherfucker, you be on Pargo. I didn't put him work, ain't shot Pargo.
I'ma what you do wrong, kid, by the way, don't make shit. Jump on your head, but it's like, so you get out of the line.